Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this bronze smoky Arabic makeup look for you. I'm starting off by using a warm brown shade. This is the shade Rebel from the Tarte in the Bloom palette. And I'm using a MAC 224 brush and applying this into my crease. I'm blending back and forth and extending it out to help elongate the eye. Now taking Firecracker, and I'm just patting this all over my lid with a flat shader brush. Now using the Maybelline gel liner, I'm using this for my eyeliner. I prefer using gel, I feel more comfortable with it, but if you prefer liquid you can use that too. I'm just going along my lash line first, then extending a line for my wing, and I'm going to be extending it more further than I normally do. I'm just lining my waterline with a Rimmel Scandalized Kohl pencil, and here I'm just creating a point in the inner corner of my eyes and connecting the top liner with the bottom liner. Taking the shade Smoke Show and smudging this with the liner along my lash line and along the wing as well. Here I'm just using an angled brush to sharpen up the wing. Then I'm going to use our Rebel shade again and smoke that out further. And I'm using the Sigma blending brush in E36. I really like this brush for smoking the lower lash line. And I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the opposite eye. Now I'm going to apply falsies and I'm using duo glue to stick them on. Then I'm going to take the NYX On The Rise mascara and I'm using this for my top and bottom lashes. And this is the final look. If you enjoyed watching this, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I hope you guys have a fantastic day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!